Hey everyone, I recently stumbled upon a relic from the past, the Messa 2002, a sleek vintage typewriter. But this isn't just any typewriter, it's a mid-century marvel that transports you back in time to when writing was an art form and not just a task. In a world where technology moves at warp speed, where everything is instant, disposable, and often forgotten, this typewriter stands defiantly against the tide. It's more than a tool, it's a piece of history, a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship of an old world. This typewriter isn't just something you use, it's something to experience. But let me tell you, it's not here to hold your hand. It's a machine that expects you to learn its language. So, like any modern day writer, I turned to the internet. Surely there had to be a manual of some sort out there. The Messa 2002 has virtually no online resources. After hours of searching, I came up empty-handed. At this point, I knew I needed help, so I headed to the local typewriter shop, run by a guy named Nick. This place wasn't just a repair center. It was a shrine to the art of typewriting, filled with machines from every era you can imagine. And Nick? He's the typewriter whisperer. He immediately recognized the Messa 2002, and within minutes, he was showing me all the tricks. How to load paper correctly, how to fix the ribbon, how to adjust the margins, and what all of these knobs and switches meant. Watching him was like watching an artist. Okay, so here's a quick breakdown of this typewriter that was explained to me by the typewriter master. This arm holds the paper in place, preventing it from falling backwards. These are the margin controls. Up here, this is the carriage return lever, and that is the carriage release lock. So holding this, you can move the carriage from left to right. This is the paper lock release, so you press it downwards, it unlocks the paper, releasing it from the roller and the arm that's holding it together, and you press it upwards and it brings the arm down, pressing it against the roller and allowing you to roll the paper upwards. This is the paper feed setting. The higher it is, the more space between your sentences, and the lower it is, the less space between your sentences. This adjusts the ink color. Switch it to black, it hits the black ink ribbon. Switch it to red, and it hits the red ink ribbon. This is the caps lock key. It will capitalize all of your letters. If you want to capitalize one letter, hold the key directly below that one. This gear allows you to change the tension or sensitivity of the keys, making them easier or harder to press. This is the margin release key. When you reach a set margin, the typewriter normally stops you from typing. However, by pressing the margin release key, you can continue typing beyond the margin. Opening this up is pretty easy. Just put your fingers back here and pull upwards. Replacing the ribbons is also easy. Amazingly, you can find them on Amazon. Just remove these and replace them with the brand new ribbons. The Messa 2002 isn't for everyone. It demands patience, curiosity, and a willingness to learn. It's a bridge to a time when writing felt more intentional, more rewarding. So, if you're a vintage tech enthusiast, or just someone who loves to feel a good old-fashioned typewriter, this could be the perfect fit. But be ready to invest some time, and maybe seek out a typewriter master to unlock its potential. This is a reminder that sometimes the best things in life take a little more effort, and for those who are willing to put in the time, it offers a writing experience that's truly one of a kind.